Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to be reviewing the ModelOnes Rainbow Polygel Kit. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I'm going to show you everything that is included. The first thing you're going to get is a cuticle oil, this beautiful packaging that it comes in. It is magnetic, so it's very easy to open. You're going to get your information papers, instruction manuals. You're going to get some dual forms. Now stay tuned because I will be doing a dual form series on every single dual form that I can find. So stay tuned. They also have the other dual forms here. Okay, these are like one of my favorite ones. But like I said, that will come later. I am actually waiting on some dual forms to come in the mail. So, alright, we have a ModelOnes 100-180 grit file. We have a little sponge applicator. We have the brush, and spatula. Okay, we also have, they sent us some beautiful hollow butterflies. Beautiful, beautiful. We also have some really gorgeous shimmery blue glitter. Look at that. Gorgeous. We have their ModelOnes top and base. We have their slip, which I won't be using. I will be using the base coat as my slip because I really am enjoying using the base as the slip. And then we have our beautiful ModelOnes polygels. We have red, we have orange, we have yellow, we have green, we have blue, and we have what looks to be a color changer, and it says give me change, or give me changes. So, okay, so in the following order, you have the orange, the yellow, the red, the green, the blue, and then the color changer, which starts with purple. And I've also got, this time we're going to use the Enail Couture XXL Coffin. You're going to go ahead and prep your nails, push back your cuticles, add your dehydrator, your primer, your base coat. I have my nail guards on, so I don't have to do any of that. So we're just going to jump right into the video. I am going to use my ModelOnes base, as I said before, to spread out the polygel. And then I'm also going to use it to adhere some of the butterflies and the glitters. So now usually I would go ahead and put down a primer, like to etch the underside of these nails. That way everything sticks nice. But I'm just skipping it for this time. I am going to use a different brush to adhere the glitters and stuff. So I'm just going to dab into my base. And then I'm going to grab some butterflies. We're going to lay those in there. Dab into the glitter. Put a little bit of glitter in here. So everybody has been calling this the easy girl method, which I totally agree. It's super easy to do this. And what you can do once you have things placed where you want them You can then flip it over and see how you like it. And then go ahead and do like a flash cure. I'm going to do this with all 5 nails and we'll be right back. Alright, I went ahead and did one, and that's how it turned out. Looks really cute. And what I did was just took from this polygel right here. So I'm going to do that one more time. I'm going to take the rest of this color. Oh, it's already cured. Alright, I'll take the rest of that part. And I guess I'll put it in the pointer because there's not a whole lot there. So I'm just going to go from the top and go on the side and just grab some color. Just like so. Set that over here so it doesn't get cured again. And then plop it right down into the nail. Just like so. Alright, and then I'm going to take my base coat, which I have here on this little paper, and I'm going to start spreading it, making sure it's super thin at the cuticle area, and pull it up. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. You can wipe the sides if you got polygel on the sides. I'm going to put this on the nail and then I'm going to go ahead and cure it. My light is over here. So at like a 45-degree angle, I'm going to press till I can feel it at my free edge and cure. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and pop it into my light real quick just to do like a flash cure. Most of this color, most of that, because I'm going to do my thumbnail. Actually, that's probably, let's go ahead and do my middle finger with this one. That's a lot of really pretty colors. Pop it down in there. You want to be careful with this because it will, if you do it, if you spread it out too much, it's going to look really muddy, and you don't want muddy. You don't want it to be real muddy, so just take your time with it, you know. Let me get some more base coat. Get 45 degrees, press, and cure. Alright, I have them all on, and now I am going to file, shape, and buff them. I'm going to go ahead and top coat the underside with the ModelOnes No Wipe top coat. So let's go ahead and do that first. Get that out of the way. That way when we're filing, it doesn't stick up under there and make it all yucky. Okay, cure for about 60 seconds, 30 to 60 depending on your light. And once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and file, shape, and buff them, and I will be right back. Alright, we are back. I have went ahead, shaped, filed, and buffed these. Now I'm going to take their no wipe top coat. I want to put some of the glitter at the bottom, so I'm just going to rub this top coat at the bottom on each nail. Even though the glitter is on the inside, I do want to put it on the outside just a little bit. I'm going to flash cure it. Well, I'm going to cure it for about 30 seconds. And I'm going to take the little sponge that they provided, and we're going to just see how this works. See if that will rub in to the top coat. Just give it a little bit of shine. Yeah, it does. It gives it a little bit of shine. Just rub it in. Just the tips. Take a fluffy brush and just wipe it off. Just gonna put a little bit right there. Dark color here. That looks pretty. Last thing I have to do is take the ModelOnes top coat, and we're going to go around the gems and go ahead and gloss these up. I think they look a lot better glossy. Alright, I'm going to pop them into the lamp, cure for 60, and then we'll see the end results. Alright guys, the last step is adding the cuticle oil, and I think I am actually going to use some different cuticle oil this time. I got some cuticle oil from Loved by Verdi, and I wanted to share that with you guys. She has came out with her own cuticle butter and cuticle oil. The ones that I chose are the lavender chamomile and the coconut lime, and then I also got the lavender chamomile in the cuticle butter. So definitely go check her out, guys. She is incredible. She does some really amazing nail art. I will link her channel down below, but I want to try her oils out real quick. And they come in these adorable containers. These really adorable containers. The ingredients is jojoba oil, almond oil, vitamin E oil, and fragrance. So there you go. That's what they look like. They are gorgeous. They're not very expensive. I think she said they were $1. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. But I will leave her channel down below. I do believe she has a website. Yes. www.lovedbyverdi.com. So go check her out, guys. Get you some cuticle oils, get you some cuticle butter, and you will be set to go. Let me see what this one looks like. Here is the beautiful packaging. It has her logo, Loved by Verdi. So definitely go check her out. I'm going to use the coconut lime today. So again, the last step, of course, is to see how her bottles are, or her little droppers. They're so cute. So I'm just going to put that around my cuticles. And rub it in. And this stuff will last you forever. It's a really big bottle. Oh, and it smells amazing, Verdi. It smells amazing, girl. Guys, if you haven't checked her out, go do so. Also, if you haven't checked out ModelOnes Rainbow Polygel Kit, go take advantage. My discount codes are down below where you can save coins. The links, all my discount codes are under Save Money. It will say Save Money, and it will have the money sign, I believe. And all of the codes that I have from every company are down below. So please go check those out. And I will leave a link for this polygel kit along with Verdi's cuticle oil and cuticle butter. So let me know what you guys think of this design. I think it turned out really nicely. I do really like, I had actually no issues going down, I did not go up a size with the XXL Coffin because I didn't have to. They worked really good, just like the pipe nails. So go check out Enail Couture, get you some XXL Coffin or pipe nails. And yeah, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know. Don't forget, if you are new, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you won't miss another video. Like and share, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye, guys.